Today I'm going to be installing the Scala Rider speaker, 40mm speaker set from Cardo Systems. This is the so-called high definition speaker set that is listed on their website as high definition, but the package itself doesn't say high definition anywhere. But this is 40mm instead of the 32mm that comes with the second helmet kit that I install on the Sedici Strada helmet here. So I'm hoping that I get a louder volume and better bass response, especially. Treble response on the standard speakers are fine, but I'd like to get a little bit more fuller sound. So what I'm going to do is I've already taken off the visor here for the helmet, and I'm going to remove these inner cushions here and install these larger speakers in place of the 32s. Now, the only concern that I have is that the holes or the speaker pockets inside of the helmet are going to be a little bit small, but we'll see. What I intend to do after that is to do a bit of a product or a review. You know, I'll put the helmet on, I'll listen to some music and listen to that same music before and after the installation. So with the old speakers and then with the new speakers in an effort to see if there's any difference. And then I'll take it on a road test and see if there's any difference there. This is what comes in the package. You've got the two speakers, of course, and then you've got some pads and some booster pads there for helmets with deeper air cavities. I don't think I'll need those for this particular helmet, but it's good to have them. 3.5mm plug means that the installation is very easy. Just plug it and play. Here's a comparison of the old speakers and the new speakers. These ones here are the old speakers or the original speakers, and these ones are the new speakers. Doesn't look a heck of a lot different, does it? Let's flip them over and see what the backs look like. That's the original ones that came with the second helmet kit, and this is the new ones. They look pretty darn similar in terms of size. I'm going to go measure this. As you can see, the original speakers here from the second helmet kit are on the left, and these are the ones that came in this new kit. And looking at the measurements here, you can see that they're approximately 40mm on the original speakers. And on the new speakers, same 40mm. So, conclusion. The second helmet kit ships with 40mm speakers and not 32mm speakers, as I thought. So there should be no difference between these two speaker sets installed in the helmet. I'm going to return the new ones and try and get credit and then buy the 45s.